Hello everyone! In today's video, I want to talk about the real reason why apple cider vinegar helps you lose weight. Many people have tried apple cider vinegar to lose weight, but they are not sure why it works. In this video, I will reveal the real reason why apple cider vinegar helps you lose weight. Firstly, apple cider vinegar helps to increase your metabolism. When you consume apple cider vinegar, it enters your stomach and starts to produce enzymes that help to break down the fat molecules. These enzymes help to increase your metabolism, which means that your body burns more calories even when you are at rest. Secondly, apple cider vinegar helps to reduce your appetite. When you consume apple cider vinegar, it increases the production of acetic acid in your stomach. Acetic acid is a natural appetite suppressor, which means that it helps to reduce your hunger and cravings for carbohydrates and sugary foods. Thirdly, apple cider vinegar helps to improve digestion. When you consume apple cider vinegar, it helps to balance the pH levels in your stomach and intestines. This balance helps to promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut, which means that it improves your digestion and helps to prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Lastly, apple cider vinegar helps to detoxify your body. When you consume apple cider vinegar, it helps to flush out toxins from your body. These toxins can cause weight gain and other health issues. By detoxifying your body, apple cider vinegar helps to improve your overall health and well-being. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar helps you lose weight by increasing your metabolism, reducing your appetite, improving your digestion, and detoxifying your body. So, if you are looking for a natural way to lose weight, try incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative.